Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market. I'm going to show you what I see on the Bitcoin on the daily time frame and 4-hour time frame, and even the MACD on the daily time frame for Bitcoin as well. Stay with me, let's check it out. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. I'm going to start with Bitcoin on the daily time frame. As we talked about that one yesterday, I told you that 20 EMA on the daily time frame is working as a really nice support for Bitcoin at the moment. I told you in the past few weeks EMA 20 on the daily time frame, it was working really great as a support, and after we had a crash to the downside for Bitcoin to about $44,000 or $42,000 from $53,000, and the 20 EMA on the daily broke to the downside. I told you we are playing inside this like a falling channel or falling wedge, and I'm expecting $44,000 be the bottom, at least the local bottom for Bitcoin, and I'm expecting another rally to the upside again. And as you can see, we broke above the upper line of this falling wedge or falling channel, and we have got the support area above that one, and even the 20 EMA on the daily time frame now is working again as a support for Bitcoin price. As you can see, the 3 past days candles couldn't break below the 20 EMA on the daily time frame, and now we have got a really big green candle on the daily time frame as well, and starting to make another leg to the upside. Even if I go and show you the MACD on the daily time frame, it is so obvious at the moment. MACD is making a bullish cross, and this one is going to be a good sign for Bitcoin to make a maybe new all-time high in the next few weeks or months, because we have got the MACD on the daily time frame. We are going to the positive territory, positive side for the histogram for MACD, and what is showing us at the moment from negative to positive, and the bullish cross we have got above the zero actually is going to be really nice and really powerful for the bulls as well. If I'm going to switch the 4-hour time frame and show you another chart I have got in here, I told you yesterday on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like after we made this triple bottom for Bitcoin and made the rally to the upside to about $48,000, and we had a rejection to the downside, I told you $47,000 is going to be really a nice and powerful support for Bitcoin. I'm expecting that one to hold as a support for Bitcoin. And I told you it looks like we have got the bull flag, and at the moment Bitcoin is playing inside this flag, and I'm expecting another leg to the upside for Bitcoin. That one as a bullish flag might be taking Bitcoin to about $50,000 or $52,000 in the next few days. But the thing is, at the moment we had a support to about $47,000 after we had a rejection to the downside, $46,000. They were working as a powerful resistance for Bitcoin. After it broke above them, they're now working as a support for Bitcoin, and we are expecting another move in the next coming weeks for Bitcoin to about $52,000. I'm expecting that one to happen in September, and after that in October, it is only my opinion, not a financial advice, we make a new all-time high for Bitcoin. That was all from me for today. Please take a second of your time, guys, and press the like button and comment below if you have got any question or suggestion, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and put the bell on the all notification. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next one.